Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we are going to show you the most satisfying factory machines and tools. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content. First up, we have a demonstration from SURCLEAN of their laser coating remover. Here it is being used to remove what appears to be a carbon buildup on an engine head. Laser coating removal is actually highly useful for a number of different applications, from paint removal to corrosion cleaning. It removes the need for chemicals and is 16 times faster at that, in a way that's completely safe for the user. Plus, it looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi film. Here, it is being used to prepare the surface of a material for later coating. Next up is a massive industrial anvil from OTANI, a company based in Japan. Here, a heated piece of metal is being hammered into a die to shape it into its final form. Using an anvil keeps the metal heated and pliable so it can be better formed and then heat treated. On a larger scale, a team uses an anvil and a massive steel arm, mounted to and operated from a vehicle, to hold and form a large block of steel into a long metal beam. Then, we have another demonstration of pressing an object into a die using an anvil. Next up, with an official name that's nearly impossible for a foreigner to pronounce, is some food production from the Polish company IMSMS. Feel free to check their website for their official name. Here, they use helical gears to cut dough into perfect spheres in a very satisfying way. These all fall onto a spinning conveyor to then be collected. From TOPPO Machinery, we have a corrugated metal forming machine. Using a set of rollers, a thin sheet of metal is pushed through the machine. As it moves through it, these shaped rollers put creases into the metal that form it into its final shape. This long line of rollers ensures that these folds are as perfect as possible. At the end of this line, the machine hydraulically cuts the sheet into the perfect piece of corrugated metal, to be then piled up by a worker. Next, from the Turkish company MAZYN, we have an industrial carpet cleaning machine. When your business is to clean pricey carpets, having a machine that delicately yet thoroughly does the job can be handy. A carpet is fed through the front onto a belt that moves it through the entirety of the machine. As it moves along, it is thoroughly rinsed and brushed to remove as much grime as possible. At different stages, there are different brushes for deeper and deeper cleans. From MAZAK OPTONICS, we have a powerful laser cutting machine combined with a CNC platform. Lasers combined with a computer-controlled platform such as this one can be useful for the cutting of shapes onto complex surfaces such as PVC pipes and tubing, with less room for damaging the object itself compared to a traditional CNC router and drill platform. Its application is limited primarily to cutting various sheets of metal though, unlike traditional CNC. Out of Germany, we have a demonstration of Paul Horn's machining products on a lathe. Using a lathe to spin a cylindrical piece of metal and then having a cutting bit that moves along its outer diameter, exact shapes can be formed to precise tolerances. Multiple passes are made with varying bits so that progressively smoother cuts are formed until the final product emerges and is then cut off. Finally, from the Chilean company Rio Puelo, a truck tire retreading service. Once complete, these tires will be able to be used for thousands of miles before needing to be replaced or potentially retreaded again. This is a process that must be performed by skilled professionals to ensure the safety of the tire after it is created. If not done correctly, the tire may have a catastrophic failure, which wouldn't be good for anyone. It's fun to watch though, as the new tread is placed perfectly onto the old tire when done properly. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.